अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के लिए रिव्यू कर रही हूँ Forever Living का C9 program. This is probably the most requested review after I did the 10 days cleanse. What are the pros and cons of using this plan? And is it actually worth the hype? So let's dive right into the video. Also, video पसंद आने पर don't forget to like this video. अगर आप new हैं मेरे channel पे, don't forget to subscribe और notification bell hit करना मत भूलेगा. Also share this video अगर आप चाहते हैं कि कोई और इस वीडियो को देखने से फ़ायदा उठा सके, and maybe you can help them out if they're trying to start the C9 program. So let's begin. Now, when you do order the C9 का जो plan है, you will get a box like this. It has all the instructions that you need. इसमें आपको आएंगी 2 aloe vera gel की bottles, ठीक है? I have already consumed them, but I am showing them to you because this is what came in. इसके अलावा you will get the Forever Living का light ultra aminotin shake. The last time जब मैंने 10 days cleanse किया था उसमें जो आया था that was a vanilla flavored. This one is chocolate flavored. And to be very honest, I liked both of them. ये भी मुझे equally मज़े का लगा था. Also, अब इसके साथ आपको आएगा एक dietary supplement C9 का. इसके अंदर 3 चीज़ें होंगी. You will get the Forever Garcinia Plus. इसके अलावा आपको Forever Fiber मिलेगा. And then you will get the Forever Therm Tablet. मैं आपको बताती चलूँ कि Garcinia क्या है. It's basically a hunger suppressant and it kind of stops your body from making fat. The other thing, Forever Therm, is basically your typical multivitamin tablet. और इसके अलावा इसके अंदर Forever Fiber है. Forever Fiber जो है basically इसका मकसद ही ये है कि आपको fuller रखे for a longer period of time. So basically it's working around 3 things. एक आपका hunger suppressant है or something that blocks your fat. दूसरी चीज़ आपका multivitamins भी आपकी बॉडी में जा रहे हैं और तीसरी चीज़ ये है कि it's keeping you fuller by giving you lots of fiber. इसके अलावा पैकेज में आपको एक सिपी कप सा मिलेगा जिसके अंदर एक measuring cup भी होता है and it also has measurements over here so you can measure your aloe vera gel or your liquids जो आपने इसको पीना होता है. इसके अलावा आपको एक inch tape मिलेगी and then you also have a booklet जो कि आपको गाइड करता है from day 1 to day 9 कि आपने क्या क्या चीज़ें consume करनी है so you don't actually lose track of what you're doing. Apart from this, they also told me that I have to do a 30-minute light intensity. कोई भी workout हो सकता है. I chose to do a 30-minute walk क्योंकि I felt कि that is the only thing that is something that I could do. Otherwise, मेरे लिए ज़रा मुश्किल हो जाना था. Because of my last experience with the 10 days cleanse program, high intensity workout मैंने कर लिया था. Not a good idea. So yeah, this time around I only chose to walk for 30 minutes. Okay, so मेरा basically experience in 9 days में क्या रहा. First 2 days are basically the hardest. उसमें आपकी calorie restriction भी होती है. You're transitioning from your normal eating habits, तो आपको definitely सबसे ज़्यादा feel the first 2 days में होगा. If you're someone like me, अगर आपको first 2 days में कोई ख़ास feeling नहीं होती, good for you, but make sure because the one thing that I experienced myself was कि मैंने first 2 days में I did not end up taking the entire course of my tablets जो supplements थे because I was so full. I didn't feel hungry at all. So that is basically the objective कि आपको इतना full रखता है कि आपकी weight lose करना इतना complicated नहीं होता. But जिन लोगों ने पहले कभी नहीं किया होता ये program, you would definitely feel that कि you were starving or you're feeling hungry, but उसके लिए उन्होंने यही बताया drink lots of water and consume water based fruits and vegetables जो इन्होंने लिस्ट में दिए होते हैं, the free foods list, वो आपको बुकलेट में ही मिल जाएगा. Day 3 onwards से आपकी जो है 600 कैलोरीज ये ऐड करते हैं into your dinner और वो भी डिनर के ऑप्शंस इन्होंने आपको रिकमेंड किए होते हैं कि आपने क्या खाना है. You are not going to go overboard and crazy and eat whatever fits into the 600 calories. आपने वही खाना है जो इसमें mentioned होता है या फिर you can find something similar और cooking methods भी आपने similar इस्तेमाल करने के 600 calories में आपको you get a good nutrition, not something that is junk, because I know 600 calories में आप burger भी fit कर सकते हैं, but that's not a good idea. So keeping that in mind, for the next days 3 to 9 तक आपने यही रूटीन आपकी होगी. एलो वेरा जेल आपकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा इसमें इस्तेमाल होती है. I'll be very honest, I don't really like the taste of aloe vera gel. I actually dreaded drinking it, but उसके health benefits बहुत ज़्यादा है. Even if you leave C9 का जो प्रोग्राम aside, एलो वेरा जेल के अपने बहुत हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स हैं. आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़बरदस्त रहती है. आप मुरझाए भी आपकी स्किन बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगी. अब आपके एनर्जी लेवल्स तो डेफिनेटली डाउन होंगे if you've never been on a diet program. लेकिन आपकी स्किन जो है वो बिल्कुल भी मुरझाई भी नहीं लगेगी because aloe vera is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now we come to the part जहाँ पे आप मुझसे ये पूछेंगे कि जी आपका weight lose हुआ कि नहीं. So the answer is yes. I ended up losing lots in inches actually and about 3 kgs on my weighing scale. So for me, in 9 days, actually that's really not bad at all. 3 days mein itna mera weight lose ho gaya, that's actually really impressive. So I ended up losing inches mein, I ended up losing 2.5 inches of my waist. I lost 1 inch of my thigh. I lost about 1 inch of my chest, 1 inch from my arm, or kya naam hai, from my, you can say, ankle area, about half inch tak, you can say I lost that much. Now will all this weight जो मैं भी मैंने सारा का सारा जो मैंने lose किया है, will this stay? That is the most important question that most people want to know whenever I do a diet plan. Now keep this in mind, this is a 9 days program. अगर आप इसी को continue रखते हैं, then you will continue to lose weight. इसका आगे एक F15, I think, if I'm not wrong, वो एक प्रोग्राम है, उसको अगर आप कंटिन्यू रखते हैं, you will continue to lose weight. However, if you drop this plan, you are going to go back to your original weight जो कि आपने lose किया होता है. Keep that in mind. This is the one thing that I'd really like to mention. As with every short span weight loss program, उनमें यही होता है कि जितना आपने weight lose किया होता है because of this, because it's formulated a certain way. And if you change anything, if you go back to your normal eating habits, you will gain all of it back. तो क्या मैं ये weight loss program recommend करूँगी आपको? अब ये एक बहुत ही personal preference पे ये बात आ जाती है. Now, if you are a girl and if you have weddings to attend, if you're someone like me and if you want to lose weight quick, this is probably the best solution for you क्योंकि आपको 9 days के अंदर अच्छा सा आपका weight lose हो जाएगा and then you will be perfect and you want to look slim. You won't be massively slim, but I guess the more weight you have on you, उतना ज़्यादा आपका reduce होगा. अगर आप already पतले हैं तो आपका कम weight reduce होगा. This is how it works. So yeah, I do recommend it to those who have an event or something to attend. आपको definitely इससे बहुत जल्दी फ़ायदा हो जाएगा because 9 days is what, मतलब अगर आपकी शादी 1.5 हफ्ते के बाद है तो आप ये plan कर लें, आपका weight reduce हो जाएगा. Now this plan is expensive and I will be linking the page जिन्होंने मुझे ये पूरा package भेजा था, so that if you are interested in weight loss and if you want to lose your weight through this program, तो आप definitely you can go ahead and click it down in the description below and then you can actually order it for yourself. I don't really know the price unfortunately क्योंकि ये आता है बाहर से, it comes from UAE and because it's priced in dollars, इसकी जो value है it changes because of the fluctuation in पाकिस्तानी currency. हमारी जो currency है उसकी fluctuation के accordingly आप इसकी जो price है वो change होती रहती है. So if I quote a price right now, मुझे काफ़ी सारे लोग पीछे आ जाएंगे कि जी आपने इतने का कहा था वो इतने का दे रही हैं. It's not because they're trying to scam you or anything. It's just कि currency की fluctuation की वजह से आपके जो rates होते हैं वो change हो जाते हैं and that is actually very understandable. Alright you guys, with that being said, we're pretty much at the end of this video. I hope आप लोगों को ये video पसंद आया होगा. अगर कोई questions हैं आपके और अगर मेरे से कोई बात miss हो गई है जिसका मैंने जवाब शायद ना दिया हो और आप जानना चाहते हो तो नीचे comments में पूछ लीजिएगा. I will be answering all of the comments down below and I try to answer as much as I possibly can. So yeah, with that being said, much love. You guys take care and inshallah I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.